If you're trying to decide between OneDrive and Google Drive for cloud storage, it helps to understand how they differ in storage, ecosystem fit, collaboration tools, pricing, and overall use. Google Drive offers a more generous free tier, giving you 15 gigabytes of free storage shared across Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos, whereas OneDrive provides around 5 gigabytes of free storage for personal use. When it comes to ecosystem integration, OneDrive is ideal if you're already using Microsoft tools like Windows, Office apps, and Outlook, offering seamless file sync and tight integration with Microsoft 365 Google Drive. On the other hand, excels if you use Gmail, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, Android devices, or Chromebooks, making cloud-centric workflows and browser-based collaboration straightforward. Both services allow file sharing, real-time collaboration, and syncing across devices. Google Drive makes sharing simple with link-based permissions and live collaboration in Docs, Sheets, and Slides. OneDrive also supports sharing and collaboration, especially when combined with Microsoft 365, but its interface is more tailored toward desktop plus cloud workflows. On the technical side, OneDrive uses block-level sync for certain files, meaning only changed portions of a file are uploaded instead of the entire file, which can make syncing large files faster. Google Drive does not always do this, which could slow down uploads for big files. When it comes to pricing, Google Drive may feel more cost-effective for casual users because of its larger free storage. OneDrive becomes more valuable when bundled with a Microsoft 365 subscription, providing full Office apps along with 1 terabyte or more of storage. In deciding which service to choose, OneDrive is strong if you heavily use Windows and Microsoft Office, while Google Drive is ideal if you rely on Gmail, Google productivity apps, and need more free storage. Many users even choose to use both, leveraging Google Drive for personal storage and OneDrive for work-related files. In conclusion, neither service is universally better. It depends on which ecosystem you are in and what features matter most to you. Once you understand your workflow, choose the service that aligns best with your storage, collaboration, and productivity needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more tech comparisons and tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.